Right here is the box that the Black & Decker toaster oven comes in. It's about 14.5 inches tall by about 25 inches long and roughly 16 inches wide. So let's get it open and I'll give you my first impressions of it. All right, let's get it out of this outside box. Now let's get rid of this box and remove the packaging. And it also has an insert here that comes separately wrapped. Let's get rid of all that stuff. And it comes with a crumb catcher, a grilling tray that measures roughly 14 3/4 of an inch by a little under 9 inches, as well as a grilling rack. You can see that it's pretty lightweight and easy to pick up, which means that it's going to be easy to move around the kitchen and keep in storage. So let's go put it together in my kitchen. The crumb tray will go into this slot down here, and there's two places you can place the broil rack, up top or down low. And there's also two ways to cook with the baking pan, on top of the broil rack or underneath it on top of the metal bars off of the heating elements. Now here you'll see three different knobs. The top one will let you toast, bake at a certain temperature, or broil. The second one here provides a timer all the way up to 60 minutes, but it also has a stay on feature for longer baking needs. And the last one down here will control your toasting timer, showing you that here will be a light toast, a medium toast, and a dark toast. And I like how much depth you get in here. At 11.5 inches, it's enough to cook a small pizza. And with an internal width of about 16.5 inches, you're going to be able to fit loaves of bread, lots of toast, and bake lots of brownies and things like that. So my overall first impressions are what you would expect of Black & Decker products like this. It's really well made, sturdily built, came well packaged, and has lots of function and features for toasting, baking, broiling. Really lets you do everything you need to do, combining multiple instruments into this one that just fits on top of the countertop. So if you're looking for something that's convenient and small, but also can toast, bake, and broil, here you go.